Feeling off lately? Fatigue, mood swings, or unexpected weight gain might be more than just stress. Your hormones could be whispering or shouting for attention. Estrogen, a key hormone for reproductive health, bone density, and mood regulation, is essential, but when levels skyrocket, it can throw your body into chaos. Here are 5 early warning signs your estrogen is soaring too high, plus expert-backed strategies to restore balance. 1. Irregular or heavy periods. If your menstrual cycle feels like a roller coaster, unpredictable timing, unusually heavy flow, or shorter cycles, it could signal estrogen dominance. High estrogen thickens the uterine lining, leading to heavier, prolonged periods. Or mid-cycle spotting. Dr. Jane Smith, a hormone specialist, notes, women often dismiss irregular cycles, but they're a red flag for hormonal imbalance. The fix: incorporate cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale into meals. They contain compounds that help metabolize excess estrogen. Pair this with fiber-rich foods. Think flax seeds, berries to aid estrogen excretion via digestion. 2. Stubborn weight gain, especially in hips and waist. Suddenly struggling to zip up your jeans? Excess estrogen promotes fat storage around the hips and abdomen. It also influences insulin sensitivity, making weight loss feel impossible. High estrogen and weight gain often go hand in hand, says nutritionist Dr. Mark Lee. The fix: combine cardio and strength training to reduce fat stores and improve hormone metabolism. Aim for 150 minutes of weekly exercise. Bonus points for stress-busting activities like yoga. 3. Mood swings and anxiety. Feeling irritable or anxious without cause? Estrogen impacts serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood. When levels surge, emotional turbulence often follows. The fix: prioritize stress management. Meditation, deep breathing, or even a daily walk can lower cortisol, which exacerbates estrogen dominance. Magnesium-rich foods, spinach, almonds, or supplements may also calm the nervous system. 4. Breast tenderness or lump. Sore, swollen breasts, or new lumpy tissue. Fibrocystic changes are common with estrogen overload. The hormone stimulates breast tissue growth, causing discomfort or sensitivity. The fix: swap plastic containers for glass to avoid xenoestrogens, chemicals that mimic estrogen. Opt for organic skincare and cleaning products to reduce synthetic hormone exposure. 5. Chronic fatigue and sleep troubles. Despite adequate rest, do you still feel exhausted? High estrogen can disrupt sleep patterns by interfering with progesterone, a hormone that promotes relaxation. The result? Insomnia or restless nights. The fix: establish a sleep routine. Dim lights by 9 p.m., avoid screens, and keep your bedroom cool. Consider supplements like calcium D-glucarate, which supports liver detoxification of estrogen. But consult a doctor first. The bottom line: while estrogen dominance can feel overwhelming, small lifestyle shifts make a big difference. Revamp your diet, move your body, detox your environment, and prioritize stress relief. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. They may recommend hormone testing or targeted therapies. Remember, balance is achievable, and your body will thank you for tuning into its signals.